Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Bambam NY, and for today's video I'm gonna be showing how I make this beautiful centerpiece. It's a double stuffed balloon centerpiece. It would be for special occasion like birthday or anniversary. So these are the materials we need to use for this project. We have our Bobo balloon, we have our 260Q gold, we have our gold 5 inches, hot pink 5 inches, the green one is 7 inches chrome, and our gold chrome, which is 11 inches. We need to use we will use our flowers here later, and you also need your tool, and I cut this 12 inches. Okay, and we also need this one right here. I pre-made that one, and we'll put the link on how to make the stand. Eventually we'll be making that balloon right there. So we'll start off with our 7 inches green chrome. So 7 inches, I will inflate this to 5 inches or 12.70 centimeters. And then these are 5 inches. Inflate this to the pink one. I'll inflate this to 4.5 inches or 11.43 centimeter. And then the gold is a little smaller. This is also 5 inches. I will inflate this to 4 inches or 10.16 centimeter. Now it's time to inflate our gold. This is 11 inches. And we have our Bobo balloon right here. So I already stretched this and I pumped air. Then once you get this stretch, you will stick your gold 11 inches inside your Bobo balloon. So now your 11 inches right here, you put it in a stick and then stick this inside your Bobo balloon. And then inflate your gold. So like that, and you can see that there's gap. I would like to get rid of that gap, the air. Release the air for your gold, and then after you do that, I will release the air from our Bobo balloon, because I want this nice and flat to your 11 inches gold balloon. So now the air is out from your Bobo balloon. Now inflate your gold again. I'll do it like that, so it's nice and tight, so it looks so shiny. I'll make a knot on my gold balloon, but not your Bobo balloon, okay? So there's no particular size on how big your balloon is gonna be. Just like that, okay? Alright guys, so this is how it looked like. So I made a knot on my balloon, gold balloon, but not with your Bobo balloon, so it's not going nowhere. So this time I'm gonna transfer my happy 15th wedding anniversary right here on our balloon. So now we're ready to attach this to our stand right here. If you want to know how I made this stand, we have a tutorial, a separate video tutorial on how to make this one. And you can just go to that video. And I'll put this on here. Just wrap it on right there, just like that. And then this would be our thing on the top right here. Attach your holder for the balloon. So this is the tool. I cut this 12 inches. So there's this here. The tool, I cut them like this is a big tool, so I cut them 12 inches. And then just feed it through the holder right here. Just like that. So 1, because there's 3, 1, 2, 3. So leave it like that for now. And then we will need our balloon. So just stick it in here. And then wrap it on, just wrap it around. Then I'm just gonna use a clear tape. I tape the tip of your Bobo balloon right here, just so it'll stay in place. Or if you want it sturdier, just put like a 260Q wrapped around there. There you go. And this one I will attach. I pre-made this one. And again, if you want to know how I made this 260Q balloon beads, we also have another link that will show you guys about here. And we have a different video tutorial for this. Please check it out. So I'm just gonna wrap one of this here. So it looks like I have too long, so I will let go with this. And the rest I just wrap around the tip. And then we'll cut the tip. And just tie it right there. Just make sure they're the same height. So if they don't look like they're the same height, just cut some. There you go, and just add some flowers. And there you go, guys. This is our project. It's finally done. We will see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys for watching. And once again, this is FamBamNY. We will see you guys in our next video.